Hello friends, welcome to the 33 episode of Joomla 2.5 Custom Component Development Series. In the previous episode, we have fixed our bugs and we have completed our OpenChat extension. In this video, I will introduce Joomla View. So how to use View in your component. So before using View, so we have to understand what are the benefits. If we do not understand that what is the benefit, then there is no reason to use View. So let's see the chat component backend we have created. So here you can see the design section, like this table is displaying, this is design section. Okay, so this thing is also present, and we are inserting data on the database or retrieving data from the database, blocking all these presents in the same file, controller file. So the view, design section and programming section, everything present on the controller side. So this is not good, because in your company few guys are programmer and few guys are designer. So designer and programmer should work independently. So that's why and many other reason we need one architecture, that is called MVC architecture. So what stands for MVC? That is model, view and controller. So why we separate them in this way? Because in the controller, the first request, when user requests, the request comes to the controller. In the model, we will place our all business logic. So what are the business logic? Like you want to save some data to database, you want to retrieve some data, you want to calculate, implement some algorithm, that's things called business logic. So all these things, like if you think about this block user, this is a business logic. Unblock user, this is a business logic. So we will store this logic or function inside the model, and while we are displaying this data like in a table format, this is a view, so we will store all the data in the view. So let's take an example where we found the MVC architecture. So let's think about your TV set. So your TV set contains like TV, DVD and remote. So what in DVD player we insert some DVD. So the business logic is present in the DVD, but how the TV will display until the remote we have pressed. So when we play, the content takes from the model and display to the TV. So TV is view. This is a view area, and this is a model. Main things is located in the DVD disk, and who is processing? The DVD. That means our model is processing, and remote is controller. You can volume up and down, that means you are instructing from the remote. So remote is your controller. So every request in Joomla will come to the controller. Then we will display some view, and from where we will grab the business logic or data from the model. So that's why we need this architecture. So we have to learn how to create view in your Joomla component. So there is some things you need to follow, like convention. So create view. So at first you have to create a views folder inside your component. Okay, so views folder, and inside views folder you can create multiple views like in folder. So suppose my component is com_test. So I want to create a views. So I have to create a views folder. Okay, and I want to create, let's say, create view. So I have to create another folder, create. Okay, if you want to create multiple view, then views/list posts. So in this way we will create the directory structure, and after that we have to create the view file, that is view.html.php file, and this we need for the basics. Okay, so let's create an view. So we will use our OpenChat component so that you can understand better. So let's log into the Joomla administrator panel. So here we can see we have learned how to use the task in the controller. Now we will create a view. Let's call it my chat. So you can create your view in the front end as well as in the back end, like in the controller. You can create back end controller as well as front end controller. So you can create view in front end as well as back end. So now I'm going to create a view in the back end section. So just open your components folder, com_open chat. So here we need to create a view folder. So let's create this view folder. So let's check what happens when we mention a view. So instead of chat, let's specify view equal to my chat. So 500 error occur, view not found. Okay, so let's create a view. So at first we have to create a folder called views. So we have created our views folder. Now we will create one view that is called my chat. So let's create another folder inside views, that is my chat. Okay, now inside this we will create the view file, that is view.html.php. This is actually a view type. This is an HTML type. Later I will explain you different view type, like view.pdf.php to render PDF, view.raw.php to render raw output, view.json.php to return JSON data, etc. Okay, so now we will work with view.html.php. So here we have to define the view class. So let's define the JEXCC to prevent direct access. Define, oh my god, defined underscore JEXCC or die access deny. Now we have to import the view like as controller. So J import application, sorry, Joomla dot application dot component dot view. So here our parent class is located. So let's check. So inside libraries you have to go to Joomla, application, component and view. So we will extend this class. So if you want to learn more, so just read this class, you can understand a lot of things. I will explain in the future tutorial, so you can also understand. So let's create a class. So in the view class we have to follow some naming convention. So what would be the naming convention? So at first you have to specify the component name, that is controller name. Okay, so it's better to say controller class name, view our view name, and our view name must be equal to the folder name. That is, we have created the folder my chat, so our view name must be my chat. Okay, because by default Joomla will look for that class. So let's create the view class. So class, our controller name is open chat. So open chat. Now we have to specify the keyword view. Now our view name, that is my chat, and extends jview. Okay, now yes, we have created, and let's check on the browser, is it working or not. So let's go to the browser and refresh this page. So now we have got some different error, that is layout default not found. So if we want to display something here without the layout file, so we can override the parent function like jview parent function. So let's create function display. This function is already defined in the parent class. So now let's echo something. Welcome to my chat view. Let's save and run this. So let's check what happens. So you can see welcome to my chat view. So it's working. So in this way you can create multiple views. Okay, so what we have learned? We have learned how to create Joomla view in your component, and in this section we are overriding actually the parent display function. So here we can specify our view. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question or any comment, please write your comment below this video. In the next episode I will show you how to use layout file in your view. Thank you. Have a good day.